Alright, thanks for checking out our channel. Here's going to be maybe hopefully a repair video on this particular unit. This is a Gallagher B150. They did make a B160 later on. It was a earlier versions of that was an orange case like this one, and then I think the last few years that model was made went to a black colored case. But this is an older version. They did make the E12 with a little 2 next to it. Next to the E12, that was made in the late 80s. But the B150 came out, model number wise, came out in early 90s. This is the old style serial number. This is a sequential number, so this is before 1998, 1999. Oh, there's a love note on the back. Low output. Okay. Figure out what the heck that means. But here's our information. So if you got a fence box like to send to us for a repair, fencerfixer.com. Links down below in the description. Been working on about every brand style you can think of, old style, new style. Can't always fix every single thing, but the good thing is we give you free quotes. So if it's not repairable and you pay a little freight to get here, but don't pay us nothing for looking at it, unless you want to. We don't ask for it, but if you want to, you can. Yeah, it's got the old style board, got the old style MOVs on there, got the old white colored capacitor they used to use. Got the original stamp sticker on there, so this thing's all original, and it's 30 something years old. Okay, let's can't get to the leads because the red and black wire inside there's hiding, so I got to cut the white part off. I gotta be careful, don't cut too deep and cut one of the wires. I've done it enough times you kind of learn how deep you can go with it. Come on, there it goes. Oh, okay. It said low power. I did notice that this switch on there, they had it in the middle, which is half power. It says a full power has 3-position switch, off, low power, full power. They had it in the middle there, which is half power, so that might have been maybe while I was reading low power, it had a switch on the wrong setting. Let's apply power to it. We'll flip the switch on. So far so good. Sounds healthy. Sounds like a Gallagher B260 or B160 or whatever. Let's do a open circuit voltage, no load. Okay, ground. Put this right here to here. And about 8,000 volts out of it, which is right where roughly it should be. Should be about 7, a little higher. Let's go to a 500 ohm load. Now, I haven't checked the capacitor, so we might want to do that. It's fine. It's a 1.5 joule stored, so output's always lower, so reading almost a joule output, so capacitor's probably fine. Do a 200 ohm load. Yeah. Alright, let's do exactly what it's supposed to do. I imagine they had a switch on half power. That's why I was reading low power. So I'll show you what it reads with no load on their half power setting. See? Reading just below 6. Flip to full power. Boom. Almost 8. So that might have been their issue. Switch even feels nice and healthy, doesn't feel sticky or nothing. And you wonder why Gallagher costs so much, because of these quality parts. This thing's 30 something years old, all original. We'll check the capacitor just to see what the hell. Bless me. Alright, let's put the meter on. Capacitance 19.3 out of 20. Alright, where it's supposed to be. So we'll just charge them a little labor and talk to them about it, see if there's anything else they want us to do to this thing. The only thing we could actually do to it if they wanted would make the cord longer, because it's been cut off. Usually it's about a 1.5 foot long cable, roughly. And these things are usually about 3 to 4 foot long, so he may want a new cord put on there, but I'm not going to do it until he wants it done. Alright, well, that's it for this video, and thanks for checking us out. Here's our information. Till next time, see you later on.